Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the online class of PC2. विगत किछि दिन हेलाणी आमे डायरेक्ट एवं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बाबद रे आलोचना करी आसुचे। विभिन्न प्रकार वाक्य को नहीं किभली आमे डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कन्वर्ट करिबा से विषय रे आलोचना करुथिले कि नहीं करुथिले। आज आमे आमर आउ गोटे वाक्य अच्छी जो वाक्य को आमे एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस बोली कहूचे। सही वाक्य को किभली डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे कन्वर्ट करिबा से विषय रे आलोचना करिबा। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस जहा को आमे विस्मय सूचक वाक्य बोली कहूचे। एही वाक्य विषय रे आमे गोटे क्लास रे आलोचना करिथिले जे सेंटेंस कोन एवं टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस। यस और नो? यस। सो टेल मी व्हाट इज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस? The sentences which are used to express our strong feeling or emotion is known as an exclamatory sentence. वाक्य जहा द्वारा आमे हमर इमोशन किंबा फीलिंग को प्रकाश करि थाउ ताहाकू आमे एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस बोली कहि थाउ। द एक्सप्रेशन मे बी सैड और हैप्पी। यस और नो? यस। बट रिमेंबर द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस should end with an exclamatory symbol. If we don't give exclamatory symbol, so the sentence will not be an exclamatory sentence. Yes or no? Yes. So let's start. For example, he said to me, "Wow, what a pleasant weather it is." So what is the sentence? He said to me, "Wow, what a pleasant weather it is." Okay, so according to our formula we have to identify the subject, the object, reporting verb, category of person. Yes or no? Yes. So in this sentence he is the subject, said to is the reporting verb, me is the object, and it is the what? First person. And another thing, what? Tense form. Okay, and the sentence which are enclosed in inverted comma is in simple present continuous tense form. Okay, so let's start. So what will be the indirect speech? We first write he. Okay, then said to, the reporting verb is replaced with exclaimed. Okay, then there is a word wow, means he said happily. Okay, so for that we use with joy. Okay, then our inverted comma is replaced with the use of that. Okay, then we write it. Okay, then as our sentence is according to our present continuous, then we write what? Was a pleasant weather. So what will be the sentence? He exclaimed with joy that it was a pleasant weather. Okay, समस्ते भावुथबो जे आमर तो दिस थिले डेट हुए एठी काहे इट लागिला। डेट लगेले भी चलिबो, किंतु आमे विथ जॉय परे डेट लिखिचे पुणी गोटे डेट लिखिबा, it is not suitable. Okay, so for that we can write it. It was a pleasant weather. Okay, then next to the another example. Neha said, "Oh no, I lost my mobile." Okay, so what will be the indirect speech? Neha exclaimed. For oh no means he said sadly. So we write with sorrow. Then the category of person is I. So according to our formula, if the first person in reporting speech, then it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. So for that we write she. Then our sentence is present perfect form. Simple past form. Then we write, for that we write had lost her mobile. So the sentence will be Neha exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her mobile. Okay. Then come to the another example. Ravi said, I am sorry, I did not notice. Okay. So what will be the sentence? Ravi exclaimed, I am sorry. There is a word. For that we use what? With regret. Regret means to feel sorry for something what we do. Okay. So Ravi exclaimed with regret that he had not noticed. So all of you understand or not? If you have any doubt, you can call me. ताहले आमे जानिले डायरेक्ट एवं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कौन एवं प्रत्येक वाक्य को नहीं कि आमे किभली गोटे डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कन्वर्ट करि परिबा एवं डायरेक्ट स्पीच रु इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को कन्वर्ट करने लगी कौन कौन सब आमको फॉर्मूला दरकार आमे समस्ते जदि यही फॉर्मूला को ध्यान देबा ताहले वी कैन इजीली कन्वर्ट ए डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू एन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Yes or no? Yes. So that is all about direct and indirect speech. Okay. Thank you.